What's up, folks? It's been a great November so far. We had Paul versus Tyson. Tonight, we got Jones fighting in the octagon. And we've got which hot dog is the best. And they're all beef hot dogs, all the way from Oscar Meyer to world champion Nathan's competition. Texas Heritage Beef Hot Dog, which is HEB, probably only can get in Texas, or any place you can find the HEB. And Hebrew National. I've never had a Hebrew National, but I've heard great things about this hot dog. And we're gonna see which one holds the test of time on the grill, who gives the best grill marks, who tastes the best that is charred. Those are the different things we're gonna try with these hot dogs. Put them in the bun, chili, mustard, ketchup, onions, no relish, whatever you like on the hot dog. We're gonna try and see which one is the champion, because it is champion November. Like I said, Jake Paul beat Mike Tyson. Bones is gonna beat, I don't want to say his name wrong, Sikovich. Anyway, it is championship November, hot dog style, and we're gonna take them to the pit. Do me a favor, in the comments, let me know, what is your favorite way to cook hot dogs? Is it the microwave? Is it frying them? Is it boiling them? Is it grilling them? Is it smoking them? Is it straight over a flame on a stick? Let me know in the comments down below which way you like your hot dog. I like my hot dog charred, no matter how you get it, whether you microwave it till it busts open, you boil it, you fry it, you grill it, you smoke it, you stick it. I like them all. Raw it, however you like your hot dog. That's how we're gonna do it today. Put it in the comments, folks. We have a special guest also who showed up. Uncle Nearest Single Barrel Premium Whiskey. One of my favorites. I told you we're gonna cook on this channel. We're gonna eat on this channel. Adult beverages on this Saturday on this channel. All right, folks, I got my charcoal on. I've got the Traeger heating up. Uncle Nearest is fucking great. And another reason why I'm bringing this in November right before Thanksgiving is because I know y'all don't want to cook. Hot dogs is easy. Your kids don't need no guidance to cook no hot dogs. I mean, they may not be able to fire up the pit unless you taught them how to fire up the pit, but they can fry them, ball them, microwave them, air fry them, all those different things. So, hey, this is going to help you guys during this holiday spirit when you guys don't want to cook because you've already cooked forever for 1 million people. This video is going to teach your kids. Teach you how to teach your kids how to make hot dogs. Not just regular hot dogs, great fucking hot dogs. Your Traeger is getting smoky, getting ready. Let's take a closer look at these hot dogs, all right? They pretty much look the same. Hebrew, HEB. Nathan's looks a little bit lighter. And then Oscar Meyer a little bit lighter. So the more expensive one, so the Hebrew Nationals close to $5, HEB close to $5. Nathan's is close to $5, and then Oscar Meyer is sitting at about $3.50. So you can tell just by the color, the more appealing and more appetizing before you even eat are these over here with the darker colors. These, you know, with multicolor hot dogs, you know, it's just a little bit different. But since I am from Eastern North Carolina, and they do not have my favorite hot dog here, which would be Bright Leaf. So that's why Bright Leaf is not on this menu. But we are going to see what these guys can do, because nothing's better than the Bright Leaf. All right, folks, it's time to start getting those hot dogs on. And we're gonna do them from left to right so we don't get confused. We're gonna have Oscar Meyer, then Nathan, then HEB, Texas Heritage, and then Hebrew National. Left to right on both pits. That's how we're gonna do it. 2 apiece. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what, Oscar Meyer has a resealable pack here. I'm guessing they're hoping that you don't really have to reseal them, but they have like a little resealable pack. Look at that, just pull apart right there. No more cutting. Oh, I guess it's not resealable. I'll take that back, people. 2 hot dogs. And Nathan's. No pull apart. Just got to get in there with your teeth right there. Oscar Meyer gets 1 point for the ease. And I can tell you right now, the Nathan's is a little bit skinnier than the Oscar Meyer already. So I will say right now, Oscar Meyer is winning right now for the easiest way to get into their hot dog pack. And another one. Oh, easy peel. So it would be, yep, see? And Hebrew also gets 2 points for easy peel. Okay? So you got Oscar Meyer, Nathan's, HEB, Hebrew National, going down. Onto the Traeger. We got 2 Oscar Meyer weenies. We've got 2 Nathan's. We've got 2 HEB. You get the theme here. Oh, yep. And then 2 Hebrew National. Now I will tell you that Oscar Meyer and Nathan's have more hot dogs for the price. So for the price of $5 from Hebrew National, you're gonna get 6 hot dogs. For $5 for Nathan, you're gonna get 8 hot dogs. For $5 from HEB, you're gonna get 5 hot dogs. And for $3.50 from Oscar Meyer, you're gonna get 8 hot dogs. Oscar Meyer, very easily to manipulate. So you got to make sure you keep a good eye. So I'm gonna cook one of them charred, like I like it, and one of them regular, which most people don't like it. The only way to eat a hot dog is charred, I'm just saying. Just looking at them so far, man, the HEB is getting a little plump, and it's holding the lines very well. Everybody else they're holding the lines very well, but they're not looking as appealing as the HEB ones. And the smoked ones haven't even started to get going good yet. Fuck. You guys get a quick peek in here. See? Oscar Meyer curling a little bit. Nathan's curling a little bit. HEB straight, but they plumped a little bit. Holding color good. Hebrew National holding color good and line marks. No curve. Still straight. Holding strong. That's a good weenie. When your weenie don't curl or curve, stay straight. You want your weenie to stay straight. Oh. All right, folks, let's go check these weenies. I know they're getting real close now. So, charcoal is definitely winning because it ain't gonna take long to cook these weenies. I mean, Oscar Meyer still holding a good char. See, Nathan's, the more you cook it, the more the color starts to change. HEB still standing strong, not curving. And then Hebrew National, you ain't doing nothing. Let me move y'all over to the heat. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe everybody's not getting the same amount of heat. So, while my weenies is going, one of the staples to a very good weenie is solid chili. So I'm not making my own chili, but I am going to use, HEB has a really good chili. They say marshmallows is good in the chili. Wolf chili. Hotdog chili. Very good chili. I'm not gonna do it today, but if you never had marshmallows in your chili, it's very good. Yes, I know I seen it in the movie, and yes, I know he said don't haste it till you taste it. So that's what I did. I tasted it. Marshmallows in the chili. It's not gross. You can't hate it. Look at my potpourri on now on the grill. The Traeger has the heat back up. Temperature still going down because it had a little flame in there. I'm not sure why, not sure how. Not sure why or how the flame came. But as you can see, we've got Oscar Meyer. We've got Nathan's. We've got HEB.
Oh my God, it got burnt.
No, that's not burnt. That's good. As you can see, the HEB one's the only one that took a char. Everybody else is just holding on, but I'm gonna pull these off right now because that's where everybody likes them. And then that'll be good right there. So the grill, y'all tell me which ones you think. Oscar Meyer, Nathan's, HEB, Hebrew Nation. So there you have it. Oscar Meyer, Nathan's, HEB, Hebrew National. Hebrew National really didn't get no char, but everybody else looked charred up. Tell me what you like on that pit on the charcoal. So on glance, which one would you say looks the best appealing wise?
Why are you trying to
I mean, from the appeal.
HEB.
HEB looks the best.
Maybe I'll do one bun and two.
One bun and two weenies.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna go, since I've never had a Hebrew National, I'm gonna go with the Hebrew National. Because I wanna try it. And I'm gonna show you guys how to dress a weenie. I was unable to put marshmallows in my chili. My wife didn't want any marshmallows in the chili, even though she wouldn't know it was in there. It was just thickening it up, making it gooey. That's it. So folks, first don't get chili like this. That's a double chili, super duper, big back dog.
How dare you?
Put your chili in your hot dog like this. Regular dog, big back dog.
I'm not a big back.
You're not big back, but that's a big back dog. Okay, so we're back to hot dog activity. So you got your chili. You got your red onions. Got your mustard. Got your, all over the place, ketchup. You can have some cheese if you want it.
Big back.
It's a big back dog.
How dare you call mine big back?
There you go. Chili cheese mustard ketchup onion dog. I like my cheese cold. Some people like their cheese melted. As you can see, my wife has to eat her hot dog with a fork because she got a big back dog. I got a regular back dog. I can pick it up. We're gonna wait on those smoked ones so we can show her those look. One more look at those weenies coming off the grill. Grill marks, charred. Gonna be a great day. And then, since we're on keto, this is a solo bun, only 4 grams of carbs. There's no chips, there's no French fries. This is just us being us. Oh boy. The char on that HEB, I'm sorry, on that Hebrew National, the flavor just, even though I had mustard, ketchup, onions, the flavor of that Hebrew National hot dog just busts through all that. Wow. That's amazing. Cheers.